Hi, Ben Sansone, injury attorney, Sansone and Lauber. We're here today at the law firm hangar. We just got back from a trip to Iowa for a truck inspection after a client was involved in an 18-wheeler crash. I've been doing this for 25 years, handling injury cases in Missouri and Illinois. And what often comes up in truck crashing cases and a lot of car crash cases is that surgery at some point may enter the picture. Whether or not you actually get surgery is one thing, but a surgical recommendation may enter the picture. And you want to make sure that you get full value for that. Even if you're not going to have surgery, the fact that you may have to have it one day because of the negligence of another driver or a truck driver, you need to be fully compensated for that. And what happens when the word surgery or surgical recommendation comes out of a surgeon or a doctor's mouth? The insurance company will fight harder. They will hire a doctor to say you don't need surgery. They'll look at MRI reports, whether past MRI reports or current MRI reports, and they'll argue that all your problems are due to degeneration, which is the fancy way of saying the aging process. They'll look for what we call gaps in treatment. How long did it take you to initially go to the doctor, or during your medical treatment, did you take a break for whatever reason? You know, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks where you couldn't make it. Maybe it was because of work. Maybe you couldn't just make your schedule work. So they'll say, well, you didn't go to the doctor for 2 or 3 weeks. You stopped going to physical therapy. So therefore, you must not really be hurt. They will point at anything they can, this, that, MRI, past, history, whatever they can pull out to try to say that your injury and your necessity for surgery is from anything but the crash that their insured caused. Call us, doing this for 25 years, Ben Sansone, Sansone and Lauber, 314-863-0504, or find us online, MissouriLawyers.com, Missouri spelled out, lawyers with an S.com.